Just in, a Syracuse City Court judge is under investigation by the State Commission of Judicial Conduct. She's accused of refusing to perform a same-sex marriage. And tonight, the Onondaga County District Attorney says he's committed to finding out if the motivation was bigotry. It happened November 16th, but only came to light today because reporters trying to find out more about it have been stonewalled by the court system. People familiar with what happened, including the couple in question, say Syracuse City Court Judge Felicia Pitts-Davis had performed a heterosexual couple's marriage, but then left the courtroom when it was time for Shante Davis and Nakora Davis to wed. Their marriage was ultimately performed several minutes later by another judge. As the State Commission of Judicial Conduct pursues an investigation into Judge Pitts-Davis, the Onondaga County DA, Bill Fitzpatrick, says he's not going to wait on that, which could take months to come to a conclusion. He says he'll interview the people involved. He says he's concerned about bigotry as a motivation for the judge's refusal, and he's worried about the openly gay members of his office who argue cases before the judge, and about citizens who stand before her.
And I'm going to find out what happened, and if in fact this was an act of bigotry, then I'm going to do, the only remedy I have is to ask her to recuse herself. I'm not going to stand up in court and say, Your Honor, this is a domestic violence case involving a same-sex couple. Do you assure me that they'll get, the victim will get justice as well as the potential defendant? I'm not going to take that risk.
In 2018, as a candidate for City Court Judge, Pitts-Davis told Urban CNY, "I am a candidate of character, integrity, and fairness. Those are practical qualities, not just euphemisms, in my experience as an attorney and dealing with individuals on a daily basis. That's the heart of who I am," she said at the time, which is really shaped by my interactions with people, and that I value people and that people's rights matter. That's an essential core of who I am. Meantime, CNY Pride, which advocates on behalf of the LGBTQ+ community, says the judge failed to adhere to her judicial decree. The group says a full ethical investigation into the judge is warranted, and it's calling for a full evaluation of her conduct and history since taking the bench in 2019.